What's going on, everybody? Guess what? I'm not dead yet. And the reason being is because I missed you guys so much, and of course, I have been busy lately. But before I begin custom critiques, which by the way is a segment that is me, Cheeto2500, giving you all the facts and information based on my own knowledge, my extensive research, and of course, which is not limited to people, places, or things. In other words, my own inputs on all types of matter. Yep. So let me give you a quick update first of all on why I have been gone for so long. First off, what I said previously, I have been working lately, and I've been trying to save up some money for some new equipment. And the reason being is because the equipment I've been using now for over 5 years or so, and yes, I am pretty responsible and taking care of it though, it's getting a little faulty up to a point where I have to, keep this thing connected because otherwise it'll shut off. To make it simple though, I can't do certain things anymore. That's pretty much it. Okay, the update is over, so now let's begin this segment, okay? So today I'm going to be reviewing a product which is cool to me though and really really awesome to boot. And what I mean is that I have a nice headset here. And I'm pretty sure you've all seen me before with it though, but yet wondering what the heck is that thing? So it's called the Kojin Each Pro Gaming Headset, or as Amazon will say it, the Bango G9000. Quick disclaimer before I continue, I am not sponsored nor affiliated with Amazon in any way possible, nor am I monetized or being paid by them. So, that's a quick disclaimer, get it out the way. So, I've unboxed it for you already, and this is how it looks.
Wow.
And then this is how it looks when I wear it. Yep, fits perfectly. Okay, so I usually start off with the pros as I do my other segments. However, this time I'm going to start off with the cons, which is sort of a design flaw that is supposed to, work with multiple consoles. But yet, I'll show you what I mean firsthand by connecting this thing to my Xbox. So if you would like to, you can take a look at this on what I've had to go through thus far.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Okay, so as you can see, my Xbox is on, and the device is connected here, and I will demonstrate. There you are. So the reason why it's not lighting up is because this thing isn't connected here, the USB. Now normally it's all fine and stuff to play without the LED, but if you wanted to play with the LED, you'll have to do this and stuff. And this is the flaw that I was talking about per se. So if you plug it into your Xbox over here though, yeah, it's going to be a little hard, so just give me a second. Yeah. Sorry about that, folks. Give me a second. Here we go. Now, if you look at it this way, it's not really, productive in this case, though. Yep, as you can see, the headphones do light up per se, and it's not really conclusive. I have to end up playing like this or something right up close to the TV just to at least enjoy both features, So let me let you go here because I'm starting to get really uncomfortable just holding this controller and the phone at the same time. So yeah, just give me a second, will ya?
Later.
Whew. How uncomfortable was that? Before you guys deter away from this product, let me tell you the reason why it has been so uncomfortable lately. As you already observed firsthand, yeah, the first main flaw is that the connectors are really short. and there's like no way to expand on it, you know? It just stays there forever, that sort of thing. So on a PC though, on a computer though, it's perfectly fine on its own. And that's because the ports are literally right next to each other. So yeah, you could just connect it to your port, play a little game or whatever, like League of Legends or something like that, and you can talk to it, no problem, you're good to go. It's that easy. However though, the reason why I still got it despite that flaw is because, you know, of various reasons though, which is why I'm gonna go to the pros now. Okay, so as you all saw though, I'm gonna give you the first nice pro here. The first pro, right, obviously enough, it's a really cool design. And I'll just plug in the LED just to demonstrate. It's a nice, really cool design though. Lights up perfectly well in the darkness, because I can't really turn it off right now, but yeah, it looks really cool. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. Great. And so now the second pro I'm going to like demonstrate for you is the fact that this wire is not, you know, an ordinary black wire and everything. If you look a little close, right, you'll notice that it's made of some nylon material. It's like that anti-stretch resistant type thing. So basically it's like stretch resistant, and the reason why is because, you know, in case like you game around all that stuff and you move in all different places and then suddenly, oh, look at that, the wire itself will not break. You know, it's stretch resistant, and of course the reason why is because, you know, the product itself does not want you to, you know, fall flat on your face on the first time around though. So real nice material. I love it so much though, and it saves me a whole lot of trouble of replacing future headsets, just so you know. Okay then, sorry about them getting a little flimmy here, but it's okay, let's continue. Now, this brings me up to my third pro here, which is a simple, you know, control and design. So two main functions, which is your mic on and mic off. Up is on, down is off. And a nice volume control, which is really smooth on the fingers. So yeah, it's really good. Okay, and yeah, it's all really good here from here. So oh, and if you're wondering why I'm a little incoherent at times, is that which comes to the next feature of this though, it has excellent noise cancellation. Meaning that I can hear my own voice in a quiet setting, but then when the games come on though, yep, you can't hear nothing but the game though. So unless your mom or dad or your best friend or your boyfriend or girlfriend scream at your ear, yeah, you can't really hear them unless they do scream at your ear. So which is great though, which is great. And not to mention that it has an adjustable mic feature here too. So little to no effort, I could just do this, do this, do this, do this. So whatever way you want it though, you know, you can do just that. And not to mention though that I've tested it out with my friends on the Xbox, and they all said that they can hear me very clearly and very coherently. So the mic levels itself is very excellent per se though, and you know, I could adjust it at any time and it won't slip in place, so it's not, you know, loose, it's nice and firm. Okay, let's take this off. So yeah, it's a really nice mic though, and the final pro, the final pro that I'm going to tell you, right, you know, that puts it all together, that really makes it worth it. You know what the best part is? It's very affordable. It's real inexpensive. If you go to the link down below on Amazon.com right now, you'll see what I'm talking about. All those great features for like, what, $20? You cannot beat that. A mic like that, you can't beat that. But of course, if you go to the description itself and go to the Amazon thing, you'll notice that it has, oh, there's a newer version of this item. And the reason why I don't go for those version is because, you know, this one looks the coolest, is real inexpensive, and it's all I need, you know? It's real nice. Besides, I really don't like the other versions that much anyway. You know, it doesn't like have the same spark as the mic itself does now. And for you ladies out there, for those of you who are looking at, this mic also comes in different colors. Yes, it even comes in pink. It comes in red. It comes in yellow. Army camouflage even. Wow, right? Very, very awesome. I like it so much though. I wish I could give it a full rating, but you know, I have to be honest here though. Which brings me to my final verdict, which is all you've been waiting for. So, despite the design flaw which is meant for PC and everything, the rest of the features that this mic possesses here makes up for it by a lot, a large margin. So I can safely say that the pros definitely outweigh the cons in this case though. If Bengo or Benko would have fixed that feature on the mic though, then I will give it a nice 5 out of 5 stars. However, as it stands right now, I'm giving it a 4 out of 5 stars. And the reason why is because, you know, as I said before, bad design flaw, but many cons that follow it. So, if you're thinking of getting this as your next Christmas present, then please, I'll recommend this mic to you guys. And gals, of course. And of course, if you saw your mom and dad or friends like, oh snap, where you get the cool headset? How much you get it? If you don't tell them the price though, right? If you don't tell them the price though, they're gonna think that's a really, really expensive headset though. But in reality, it's actually affordable, you know? It's great. So, thank you all for joining in though. I know it's been a little bit short though. And, you know, I just don't have the time these days. But, if you really would like this headset though, and if by off chance though, gamers out there, if you got some greenbacks and some money, why not spend some of that money on this nice lovely headset here, you know? There you go. That's my suggestion from me to you though. Till then, stay tuned for the next video. This is Cheeto2500. I really miss you guys. I love ya, but not in that way, you know? And of course, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.
12 o'clock midnight.
Whoa. What are you guys still doing here? Okay, guys, I'm a little busy right now, so if you just leave me alone for a second while I, you know, finish this up, though. Wait. I forgot something, did I? Oh, I am so sorry. I am really, really sorry, ladies and gentlemen. I did not realize that I forget this one very crucial thing, though. The solution to how to combat that bad design flaw I talked about earlier. And you're right, though. There is one solution that I have came up with that'll, you know, pretty much solve all your problems. But with a little extra money, it's fine. Here's what I mean, though. I am so sorry. 1 second. A USB cord. But not just any USB cord. A USB extender, you know? You can connect this to your headset and this to your Xbox or PlayStation, you know? And that's pretty much all you need, though.
Nice.
No more getting in front of the TV and no more going blind over it or losing your vision. So therefore, yeah, that solves that problem though. And of course, this one kind of eliminates that con altogether though. So now you don't have to worry about, you know, sitting up close or, you know, getting uncomfortable because of that. So, are you guys okay now? Are you guys satisfied? You know, nothing more? Okay, good. So, do me a favor. Leave me alone. I know it's been a while. I know you missed my pretty mug, you know? So, yeah. I'll see you in the next video, okay? Bye. Take care. Get lost or something. No, I mean, don't get lost. I'm just kidding. Okay, but seriously, bye now.